Assalamu alaikum everybody, hope you all are doing good. Today you are going to learn about dash in detail. I have discussed hyphen in detail in my previous videos. You can go and check it out there. There are two kinds of dash, and dash and m dash. I have also discussed them in my videos. You can consider those videos. Dashes work to bring attention to a phrase or indicate a phrase as additional information. It is also used to separate a sentence where there is an interruption that disturbs the flow. It introduces pause or afterthought, or you can say second thought. Here is an example. Mary doesn't like to work with Ashton, dash, or so she says. Now, Mary doesn't like to work with Ashton is a proper sentence. It has subject, verb, and object structure. Whereas or so she says is a phrase. I have mentioned in my previous videos that phrase is just a group of words. It does not contain subject and verb, and it does not make any sense. They are just group of words. So we put here dash to emphasize a phrase or to indicate a pause or a second thought. The first kind of dash is and dashes. It indicates range. Here is an example. For tonight's homework, read pages 35-50. Now, it indicates range from 35 to 50. It means that you have to read pages from 35 to 50. And dash can also be used to write sports score. When we play sport, we write scores in this manner. 75-60. And dash is also used to indicate inclusive or overall time period. When we write overall time period, we write in this manner. 2008 to 2012, 2006 to 2009, 2013 to 2015. Now the second kind of dash is am dashes. It set phrases apart from the main body of a sentence. Here is an example. After I baked the cakes, this is a proper sentence. 12 in total, this is a phrase. The client cancelled the order. This is a proper sentence. So we separate this phrase 12 in total from the main body of a sentence through am dashes. Am dash is used to explain information in your sentence. Here is an example. The guard dash, he had fallen into a deep sleep, dash, missed the start of his shift. Now he had fallen into a deep sleep, missed the start of his shift. This is the information about the guard. So we put dashes. You can emphasize your conclusion by replacing a colon with an am dash. Here is an example. The jury reached a unanimous verdict, dash, guilty. Guilty is a conclusion, so you can put dash there instead of colon. Finally, use an am dash in dialogues to indicate a sudden break or turn of thought. Here is an example. Our meeting is at dash. Jan began but cut her off. Now, this dash is here to indicate a break or a second thought in a sentence. This is all about dash and hyphen.